In this video, we're going to cover the ratio of areas. So we're told we have a square, it's been divided into sections, and it has this shaded triangle here. Work out the ratio of the shaded area to the unshaded area. Remember, we write a ratio with a colon in the middle. So this first number in the ratio is going to be the parts for the shaded area, and the second number after the colon is going to be the unshaded area. And remember that ratios show the relative size of two things. Now let's work out those areas first, and then we might be able to simplify this ratio. So we want to work out the shaded area first. So the shaded area. Well, we can see the shaded area is a triangle, this area here. So how do we find the area of a triangle? Well, it's just half times base times height. So we're going to do half times by the base of the triangle times by the height of the triangle. Now, if we make the 6 the base, then the height will be 4. Remember, the height has to be perpendicular to the base. So it's going to be half times 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24, and half of that is 12. So it's going to be 12 centimetres squared. So we've worked out the shaded area. What about the unshaded area? So this section here. Well, to work out this unshaded area, we can start with the area of the square and subtract the area of this triangle. So let's do that. The unshaded area is going to be the area of the square, which is just 10 times 10, which is 100. Subtract the shaded area, and that gives you the unshaded area, which is going to be 88 centimetres squared. So therefore, the ratio of shaded to unshaded is going to be 12 to 88. But remember, with ratios, we want the numbers to be as small as possible, and we can simplify ratios in the same way we simplify fractions. We look for common factors and divide by those to make the ratio smaller. Now I can see these numbers are both multiples of 4, so I can divide both by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 88 divided by 4 is 22. Now, these numbers don't have any factors in common other than 1 anymore. 22, we can't divide it by 3 without getting a decimal or fraction. So that is the final answer. The ratio of shaded to unshaded region is 3 to 22. And the way we interpret that ratio is that for each 3 centimetres squared of shaded region, we have 22 centimetres squared of unshaded region.